Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Racine, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Racine. Yeah. Today we're gonna make chicken spring rolls. My first time making them. So yeah, it's my first time. So we'll see how it goes. So let's get started. So we have these pastry. They're called spring roll pastry. There's maybe 10 in there. So yeah, and we have our chicken breast, and we're gonna season it, and let's get started. Okay, now we're gonna wash the chicken breast. We have 4 pieces because we have a lot of pastry. So yeah, we just need 4, and then we're gonna add some vinegar. We always wash our chicken with vinegar. Wash. Okay, so now we're gonna blend out the chicken breast. We have 4 pieces, so that we can put it into the pastry. So now we have the chicken blended out, as you guys can see. So now we're gonna add some seasonings and spice it up. Okay, so now we have some scallion here, some garlic, and some pepper. Okay, so now we're gonna cut up these so we can put in the chicken. Okay. So I'm gonna add some black pepper, maybe I would say 1 tablespoon, and some of this all-purpose seasoning. I would say maybe 1 tablespoon. And we're gonna add 1 cork full of soy sauce to season the chicken. And then, so now we're gonna mix it all together. Mix all the seasonings together. We're gonna add an egg to hold everything together. And then we're gonna mix. And we're gonna put a tiny bit of oyster sauce. Okay, now we have these, and we're gonna put the chicken in some of them, and yeah, we're gonna make dumplings. Okay, we're doing some more. Okay. So here we have them in the pot. They're fine. They're not that neat, but that's okay. It's not perfection. We're just trying some. Okay, so now we finished it. This is what it looks like. And now my husband is gonna taste it.
Yeah.
Babe, taste it.
Thank you. Mmm.
Wow, do you like it?
Wow. Delicious.
Yeah, it's my first time making spring rolls. So yeah, I like to try different things. So next week we'll try something else and we'll show you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And we'll see you next week in another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.